everyone. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the 8th lecture of the Power BI course. In this lecture, we will be covering uh, some advanced functions such as AND function or if AND or DATEADD. These functions are very useful to perform advanced calculations or when sometimes the client asks you a very customized or specific requirement. So as of now, once we uh, we click to the data view, our data is also loaded. So here, what we are going to do is we need to create a column which shows that the eligible candidates who have the nationality as let's say Canada, their age is greater than equal to 20, and if they meet this criteria, they show it as eligible or not eligible here. So here we will be creating a calculator column here. Eligible candidates equal to if and the nationality matches Canada, and the age is greater than equal to 20. So it shows output as eligible or not eligible. We press enter. So here you can see that the Canada and which is less than equal to 20, there it is showing as eligible, and for others it is showing not eligible. The AND functionality means that whatever conditions you are specifying, it should meet both of them. However, if you will click OR function, it means that either of the function should meet. Now, one word difference, and you can see the result changes. Either the athlete should be from Canada or his age should be less than equal to 20. Else he will be eligible or not eligible. This is the if or the AND function. For the next function, we need to switch to the next table, that is the DATEADD. The DATEADD here is the request date versus when is the work date. So in a practical scenario, if I give you an example, in USA, there are a lot of cases where the government or the judicial court has to file a judgment or give a judgment within a certain day's time. So there, if we say that okay, on 1st September my service has happened and the judgment has been given on 17th September. So how much is the date difference? The client can go a bit more customized, that he want to see that this data based on state or client wise. So for that, what we need to do is click here, click on new column, and we will make a calculated column for date difference equal to, here we need to use the function as date diff, date 1, date 2, and then the interval. You need to specify the date 1, that the request date, then date 2 is the work date, and if you want the interval in days, hours, minutes, you can also specify that. Once you follow the syntax and press enter, it will show you the date difference, that okay, we need to work on the south region where it took around 16 days. So that sort of calculation and functionality you can perform here. There are various other functions like last non-blank or the sum if, count if, but that is only required for quite advanced requirements. Not on a daily basis you will use them, but they are generally good to know. Now, I think this would cover most of the part of the advanced functions. In the next lecture, we will be covering the KPI or the card visual, how to show these calculations in the form of, let's say, uh, KPIs, and in the form of small snippets. Okay, so I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.